Hello students, today we will discuss polyhalogen compounds. What are polyhalogen compounds? The carbon compounds having more than one halogen atom are called as polyhalogen compound. For example, methylene chloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride and more. So we will discuss one by one. Number one is methylene chloride. Methylene chloride CH2Cl2. How can we prepare this? By the chlorination of methane. Methane is treated with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. Methylene chloride form, which can be separated by fractional distillation. Physical properties: it is a colorless, sweet smelling and volatile liquid having low boiling point. Yes, these are the physical properties: sweet smelling liquid, low boiling point, volatile liquid. Uses: it is used as a solvent, it is used in food industry, it is used in pharmaceutical industries. These are the uses: it is used as a solvent, it is used in food industry, it is used in pharmaceutical industries. If a person is exposed to vapors of methylene chloride for a long time, it affects nervous system, causes dizziness, nausea. Next polyhalogen compound is chloroform. It can be prepared by a number of methods: by the reduction of carbon tetrachloride, by the chlorination of methane. These are the methods of preparation of chloroform. First, chlorination of methane in the presence of sunlight. Second, by reduction of carbon tetrachloride. Iron reacts with steam and nascent hydrogen produces, which reduces carbon tetrachloride to chloroform. Next method, preparation of chloroform from ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol is treated with chlorine. Chlorine is prepared at the time of the reaction only by the reaction of water with bleaching powder. So alcohol reacts with the released chlorine, aldehyde form. This aldehyde further reacts with chlorine. Chloral is formed. This is called as chloral. This compound reacts with calcium hydroxide, chloroform forms, and side product is calcium formate. Bleaching powder reacts with water, calcium hydroxide and chlorine are produced. तो chlorine और calcium hydroxide का इस तरीके से use होता है. This reaction is important for conversion. तो how will you convert ethyl alcohol to chloroform? आप ये वाली equation देंगे. Now physical properties: it is colorless, oily liquid, heavier than water. Now we will discuss chemical properties. When chloroform is exposed to air or sunlight, a very poisonous gas phosgene is produced. This reaction takes place. Chloroform reacts with oxygen present in the air in the presence of sunlight. So therefore chloroform is stored in dark bottles. और जो bottles होती हैं chloroform की, that should be filled up to the brim. तो एयर उसके ऊपर प्रेजेंट नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर एयर उसके ऊपर प्रेजेंट है तो एयर क्लोरोफॉर्म से रिएक्ट करेगी और ऊपर वाले पार्ट में फोस्जीन गैस प्रेजेंट होगी. इन हाइड्रोलिसिस व्हेन क्लोरोफॉर्म इज ट्रीटेड विद aqueous KOH, potassium formate is formed. This reaction is also used in conversions. The chloroform reacts with KOH. Nucleophilic substitution will take place. This is unstable compound. Elimination of water will take place and will form formic acid. This formic acid reacts with potassium hydroxide to give potassium formate. This is potassium formate. Next we will do reduction of chloroform. Reduction is done with zinc and hydrochloric acid. Nascent hydrogen produces, that reduces chloroform into methylene chloride. This is the reaction. Now reaction with acetone. Chloroform reacts with acetone and an addition product is formed, chloritone. Chloritone is used as a sleeping drug. Next is very important reaction, carbyl amine reaction. In this reaction, chloroform reacts with primary amines and isocyanides are formed. This reaction is used to identify primary amines in the laboratory. Isocyanides are of offensive smell and can be detected easily. Isocyanide form. This is isocyanide having offensive smell. Next reaction and very important reaction for conversion, when chloroform is heated with silver powder, acetylene forms. This is the reaction. Chloroform is heated with silver powder, acetylene forms. We will do one conversion here. Chloroform to butane. तो पहले हम सिल्वर पाउडर से हीट करेंगे, एसिटिलिन बन जाएगा. Then it is treated with sodium in liquid ammonia. Sodium acetylide will form. This is sodium acetylide. Then it is treated with तो CH3 CH2 Cl. This alkyne will form. फिर इसका रिडक्शन कर देंगे. तो बन जाएगा ब्यूटेन. Now next is Riemann-Tiemann reaction, again very important reaction. In this reaction, phenol is treated with chloroform and sodium hydroxide and salicylaldehyde is formed. The reaction is, yes, this is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Salicylaldehyde is formed. Salicylaldehyde is used to prepare aspirin. Salicylaldehyde is used in medicines. Now next polyhalogen compound is iodoform. Iodoform can be prepared by the reaction of alcohol or acetone with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. The reaction takes place. This is the reaction. Ethyl alcohol reacts with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide and iodoform forms. Next reaction is with acetone. Acetone is treated with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. Iodoform forms. Now we will discuss physical and chemical properties of iodoform. Physical properties: it is yellow colored solid. It is insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. Chemical properties. Chemical properties, and some of the chemical properties are similar to chloroform. These are the chemical properties. Same chemical property हमने chloroform में भी की थी. Acetylene is produced. This is isocyanide reaction. When iodoform is exposed to air, iodine is liberated. In the uses of iodoform, it is used as an antiseptic, it is used in medicines, it is used in pharmaceutical industries. Now we will discuss carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane, it is prepared on large scale by the chlorination of methane in the presence of sunlight. Now physical properties: it is colorless, oily liquid, insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. It has sickly smell. Carbon tetrachloride is used as a solvent in number of organic reactions. Now we will discuss chemical properties of carbon tetrachloride. This is reduction reaction. Carbon tetrachloride is reduced with iron and steam. It reduces to chloroform. देखिए क्लोरोफॉर्म में का ऑक्सीडेशन करेंगे, क्लोरीन ऐड करेंगे तो कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड बन जाएगा. इसका रिडक्शन करेंगे तो क्लोरोफॉर्म बन जाएगा. Now next reaction is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is done with alcoholic KOH and potassium carbonate formed. This reaction takes place. देखिए कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड is treated with alcoholic KOH. Nucleophilic substitution takes place, but this is unstable compound. It decomposes to give carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide reacts with potassium hydroxide to give potassium carbonate. Now uses of carbon tetrachloride: it is used in dry cleaning, it is used as a fire extinguisher, it is used as a solvent, it is used to prepare chloroform. Now we will discuss next polyhalogen compound, that is benzene hexachloride. This is also called as gamexin. This is also called as BHC, benzene hexachloride. This is used as a pesticide. Benzene hexachloride, this is the structure of benzene hexachloride. It is prepared by the reaction of benzene with chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet rays. It is also called as gamexin. It is used as a pesticide. Now we will do next polyhalogen compound DDT. This is the structure of DDT. हम इसका common name और IUPAC name दोनों लिखेंगे and both are important for exam. Now in IUPAC naming, first we will do numbering. This is carbon 1, this is carbon 2. The IUPAC name will be 2 bis. देखिए सेकेंड कार्बन के ऊपर दो ग्रुप्स प्रेजेंट है क्लोरोबेंजीन के, और जो क्लोरो ग्रुप है वो नंबर 4 पोजीशन के ऊपर है. तो बिस स्टैंड्स फॉर 2 एंड 1 2 3 4 क्लोरोफिनाइल एंड 1 ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन. And its common name is, yes, this is the common name. देखिए D and T, तो इसकी वजह से इसका नाम पड़ा है DDT. Now physical properties: it is not soluble in water but it is soluble in organic solvents. It is a powerful insecticide. आजकल इसका यूज बैन हो गया because it is highly stable and doesn't decomposes readily. Now next is freons. Chlorofluoro compounds of methane and ethane are called as freons. For example, CF3Cl, CF2Cl2. These are the examples of chlorofluorocarbons or freons. These are chlorofluoro compounds of methane. These are freons. Freons can be prepared by the reaction of carbon tetrachloride with metal fluorides, for example. Yes, this is the chemical reaction. Now we will discuss uses and harmful effects of freons. Freons are odorless, non-toxic gas, used as a cooling agent in refrigerators and in air conditioners. These are used in the production of deodorant. These are used in the shaving creams. These are used as aerosols. These are used in deodorant. These are used in shaving creams. जो फ्रियोन्स हैं इन स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर ये रेडिकल्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और इन रेडिकल से नंबर ऑफ चेन रिएक्शंस टेक्स प्लेस व्हिच इज डेंजरस टू ओजोन लेयर. So this is all about polyhalogen compound. Now we will do some questions. Question is, ये देखिए, कार्बन इज अटैच्ड विद 4 ग्रुप्स जिसमें से 3 क्लोरीन है. ड्यू टू -I इफेक्ट ऑफ क्लोरीन अपनी तरफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विदड्रॉ कर लेता है. तो ड्यू टू दिस कार्बन के ऊपर स्लाइटली पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाता है एंड क्लोरीन के ऊपर स्लाइटली नेगेटिव चार्ज. कार्बन के ऊपर स्लाइटली पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा, इस बॉन्ड पेयर को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा. हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर स्लाइटली पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा. तो ये जो हाइड्रोजन है इट विल बिहेव एज अ प्रोटॉन एंड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सम बेस इट कैन बी एक्सट्रैक्टेड इजीली. बट ये जो एसिडिक नेचर है ये क्लोरोफॉर्म के अंदर ज्यादा है इन कंपेरिजन ऑफ फ्लोरो डेरिवेटिव. ऑल्दो द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ फ्लोरीन इज मोर देन क्लोरीन. तो इसकी रीजनिंग क्या है? आफ्टर रिमूविंग प्रोटॉन जो इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड बनता है दैट इज मोर स्टेबल इन द केस ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म देन इन द केस ऑफ ट्राइफ्लोरोमीथेन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई क्लोरोफॉर्म इज स्टोर्ड इन डार्क बॉटल्स? तो अभी आपको बताया था फॉस्जीन गैस प्रोड्यूसेस और बीच में आपको बताए थे जो कन्वर्जेंस यूज होती है. व्हाई क्लोरोफॉर्म इज स्टोर्ड इन डार्क बॉटल्स ये हमने डिस्कस किया था. Now do the following conversions: chloroform to butane, chloroform to butene. These are the conversions. ये सारी अभी हमने preparation and properties of polyhalogen compounds में discuss की है. Next conversion, how will you convert methyl chloride into methyl isocyanide? तो methyl chloride is treated with alcoholic ammonia, methylamine form. Then it is treated with chloroform in the presence of alcoholic KOH, methyl isocyanide forms. Next question is, how DDT is manufactured? DDT is prepared by the reaction of chlorobenzene and chloral. Yes, this is chlorobenzene and this is chloral in the presence of sulfuric acid and DDT forms. This is DDT. Chloral is prepared by the reaction of acetaldehyde and chlorine in the presence of bleaching powder. I will give you reaction. Yes, this is the reaction to prepare chloral. Chlorine is prepared at the time of the reaction by the reaction of water on bleaching powder. Bleaching powder से water react करेगा, calcium hydroxide बनेगा, chlorine liberate होगी. That chlorine reacts with acetaldehyde and chloral is produced. Yes, तो आज की क्लास हम यहीं पर खत्म करते हैं. All polyhalogen compounds are discussed in detail with their physical properties, chemical properties and uses. और जो related questions हैं वो भी हमने सारे discuss कर लिए. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.